My Way Teaching Aids Private Limited.
Maths. Grade 8 Unit 1. Rational numbers. Rational numbers. A rational number is any number that can be written in the form of fraction, where both the numerator and the denominator are integers and the denominator is not equal to 0. Where p is an integer, which is divided by q is a non-zero integer, which is called as rational number. Standard form of a rational number. A number which can be represented in the form of p divided by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0, is called a rational number. For example, the standard form of minus of 48 by 60 is minus of 4 by 5. Absolute value of a rational number. The absolute value of a rational number is its numerical value regardless of its sign. For example, the absolute value of 4 by 3 is 4 by 3. The absolute value of minus 7 by 6 is 7 by 6. And the absolute value of 8 by minus 9 is 8 by 9. Comparison of rational numbers. Cross multiplication method. If a and b are any integers and c and d are positive integers, then a by c greater than b by d if and only if AD is greater than BC. A by C is less than B by D if and only if AD is less than BC. A by C equals to B by D if and only if AD equals to BC. Equivalent rational numbers. We can get an equivalent rational numbers by multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator of the given rational number by the same number. Case 1. In general, p by q is a rational number and n is a non-zero integer. Then p by q is equals to p multiplied by n and divided by q multiplied by n. Case 2. Also if p by q is a rational number and n is a common divisor of p and q, then p by q equals to p divided by n and q divided by n. Representation of rational numbers on a number line. Rational numbers have positive and negative numbers including 0. So the number line representing them extends indefinitely on both sides of 0. We have rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 1, minus 1 and 0, 0 and 1, 1 and 2, etc. Addition of rational numbers. When adding two or more rational numbers, first make their denominators same by finding their least common multiple. In general, p by q and r by s are two rational numbers. Then p by q plus r by s equals to ps plus r q by qs. Subtraction of rational numbers. When subtracting two rational numbers, add the additive inverse of second number to the first number. In general, p by q and r by s are two rational numbers. Then p by q minus r by s equals to ps minus rq by qsa. Multiplication of rational numbers. To multiply two rational numbers, multiply the respective numerators and denominators of both the rational numbers. Product of two rational numbers equals to product of the numerators divided by product of the denominators. In general, p by q and r by s are two rational numbers. Then p by q into r by s equals p into r by q into s, which equals to p r by qs. Division of rational numbers. To defeat one rational number by another, multiply the first rational number by the multiplicative inverse reciprocal of the second rational number. In general, p by q and r by s are two non-zero rational numbers. Then p by q divided by r by s equals to p by q into reciprocal of r by s, which is equals to p by q into s by r equals to ps by qr.
Thanks for watching this video.